get lost out there. Samurai Jack is just getting started.
You've forgotten your purpose! You've forsaken us!
Toonami now continues with more Samurai Jack.
The daughters of Aku must stay focused. Never relent. Always attack.
Up next, it's a super battle of the gods.
Come on! Show me something worthy of a god! Let's begin, shall we?
Keep it steady. We'll be right back.
Hold on, guys! We're spinning out of control!
Coming up next, we're kicking off a 5-week miniseries from Ghost in the Shell director Mamoru Oshii, Sand Whale and Me. Probably best to not get too wrapped up in the plot. This trip is way more about the journey than the destination. Trust me, it's great. Get ready for Sand Whale and Me, coming up next. Fights back on with more Dragon Ball Super.
Let's pick it back up!
Next, we're trading the Super for a Z and a Kai.
Comic! Comic! That's not how you say it.
On the next all-new episode of Sand Whale and Me. Sand Whale and Me, next Saturday night at midnight.
Better give me your best shot, Ron.
Maybe I should have gone easier on him. Nah, that kid was a punk.
Keep your chin up. We'll be right back.
Hey, man, champs don't cry. Win or lose, you should always hold your head high.
Toonami's 20th anniversary is brought to you by Arby's. Arby's, we have the meats.
Welcome back. You're just in time for more Kai.
Fight's starting to get good. You're doing great. Keep it up.
Now it's high time for JoJo.
Feel the beat of my heart on overdrive!
Granny should be able to sleep well tonight.
The adventure gets bizarre, right after this.
You're just another vampire who's bound for hell and leaving now.
Toonami's not quite old enough to drink yet, but we're still having a party. To celebrate Toonami's 20th anniversary, we're giving away a whole bunch of stuff, like 20th anniversary t-shirts, limited edition Trapped comic books, and a sweet action figure of yours truly, created by Retroband. Plus, we're cleaning out our closets, so we're tossing in some other goodies too. Go to Toonami.com/20th to register now. And thanks for helping make us a better cartoon show. Now back to JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
Just a little more there. I gotcha now.
Up next, it's giant robots and space battles.
This is insanity!
I'm reading a new comm signal. It's the Gundam.
This is not a killing machine. There's something special about the unicorn. You know it here.
We'll hit him with a counterattack right after a quick regroup.
Attention all mobile suits. Abandon the mission and return to ship immediately.
Now, let's hit him with everything we've got.
Transfer all power to the hyper mega particle cannon!
Up next, Hunter x Hunter's Packing Heat.
The minimum requirement for the position is strength. Enough strength to get out of your lives.
Right over there, Killua. Yeah, we're almost there. I can hardly wait.
Our journey will continue right after this.
Bye! Take care! I'll miss you!
Pull up a chair. Hunter x Hunter's back on.
This is my power, the wandering haiku poet.
Somebody call for a ninja hero?
Naruto!
Sorry if I kept you waiting. Just leave it to me, or my name isn't Naruto Uzumaki. Give it up! You're coming with me!
You're still having a blast. More Shippuden after this.
Bye-bye now.
No, you don't.
Look out!
Can't you just feel all this electricity? Batten down the hatches. One Piece is up next.
Come on! It's time to set sail! All right! One more toast! Raise your glasses!
Take a break. Frankie'll hold them off for you.
Out of the way, chumps! Didn't hurt a bit!
Welcome back. One Piece is firing off.
Let's go start!
We're rolling out the Tachikomas. Standalone Complex is up next.
Watch it!
They'll be back. In the meantime, make yourself at home.
If y'all want to poke around, feel free. Me, Casa, S. Sue, Casa.
The crowd's getting restless. Back to Standalone Complex.
The purge will begin!